One of my favorite cocktails, actually. Beautiful for New Year's Eve. You get all the spices of the barrel-aged gin, the bubble, of course, from your cava, and then that nice citrus. Let's go shopping. All right, first up for our Buttonhole cocktail is our barrel-aged gin. We're using the Liberator. In addition to the juniper note, with the barrel aging, you're gonna get all the flavors of spice, cinnamon, nutmeg, cardamom, oak. And also the cool thing about this is it is our specific barrel pick, so you can't find this anywhere else. It is truly one of the funnest products in our store. And on to our next product. Our next ingredient, we're going back to our Tattersall Creme de Fleur. We've used this in a couple cocktails. It is beautiful and versatile, and an excellent alternative to an elderflower liqueur. And on to the last. All right, and lastly, our bubbles. For this, we're going with a cava. It's from Spain, made in the traditional champagne method. And again, it's on our value shelf, so an awesome price point. So it'll be perfect to use in our cocktail. And let's head to the studio. All right, so now that we've done our shopping, let me show you how to make a buttonhole. Pronunciation is important. So a ½ ounce of our barrel-aged gin, ½ ounce of our elderflower liqueur, ¼ ounce simple syrup, ½ ounce lemon juice. If you have a juicer, you can use that too, but this is more fun. Ice. Shake. Your coupe glass. And then top with your bubbles, because it's New Year's Eve. Okay, and we're gonna float with our cava. And that is how you make the buttonhole.